up, guys? Matt here with TMS3 Forge. Looks like we are going to hopefully sometime this week be dealing with getting part of the cleaning up the area where the shop's gonna go. We've been dealing with a lot of rain, and I haven't been able to film in here because it's a metal roof, and we have been dealing with some remnants of the hurt. I'm in North Carolina. I'm about an hour north of Charlotte, so we have been dealing with remnants of the hurricane that came down the coast. So we got dumped on. We had a pine tree up there snap. Just a lot going on. So we are now dealing with this. So let me get in there, kind of give you all an idea before we start working. Today I just want to get some of this filming done, so I'm not doing it when I'm actually working, and gonna be a lot of B-roll for when we're actually working. So let me get in there and show you all what's going on. So it's a little dark. We have a lot of stuff from the trophy shop, different shelves, some old, like an old awning, just different stuff, some old Tonka toys. So, and then my uncle's deer. Okay. So this is the area we're going to be cleaning out. So it goes, the wall's going to be right there all the way to that spot. So each of these sections, like that section is roughly 8 foot. So it's about 24 by 24 roughly. You know, this barn's been up for a while, so the measurements might not be totally accurate. But step one is definitely cleaning out all of this. I think there's an old scale bottom down there. Just a bunch of stuff we got to clean out. Once we get cleaned out, if you can see that footer there, we actually have to even out the stuff. We're going to have someone else come in and help us with the concrete, but that's step one. Or step two, technically. Step one's getting cleaned out. Step two is getting the surface leveled out and getting the concrete poured. Then it's walls. I actually want the walls, I would do it myself, but I actually want it to go about halfway up that wall there. I actually want to have a loft above it. So I want someone that can actually build this area tough enough to where a loft can go above it that can hold weight. So I just don't trust my building skills to do that. So that is that, and that is kind of our plan. So this is probably where I'm going to throw in some B-roll, just different stuff. So this is section one, and as I said before, I'm also doing an automotive channel. So there's going to be some stuff you might see in the background of other sections. Also, it's like, hey, we haven't seen that on the channel. Well, it's because that is something I'm building for the automotive side. I'm going to build a fab room with like welding and stuff. That'll probably get put on both channels. I'm going to have a woodworking area where I want to keep my area where I work on like epoxies and wood stuff for like handles and stuff. I want to keep that in a separate area away from all the heat and the grinding and all that. So probably, if you can still see it, this is a little long here. Let me just cut to that once I figure out what I need to show you. So, okay, so even though there's something here, this used to be a chicken coop. That's part of a Jeep there. So here, this area is going to be open here, I think. So I can have a pull through for like a vehicle. But over here will be knife shop. This will be an extension of the knife shop. But I'm going to have more woodworking stuff. I'm still going to have like drills and stuff in there for handles. That side's going to be more where I have heat treatment, stuff like this. This is going to be where I keep like resins and glues and pins, and that's essentially. So this side of the barn is going to be more knife making, and the woodworking. Over here it's going to be like the lift and the fab area. So if you're into automotive stuff, that's going to be on that side. This is on this side. Just trying to make it go up both. So should be getting to some cleanup there. This is down the road. This is first, and then I'll get some actual knife making videos up. So guess cut to the footage when I get it. So. Guys, so we got this little area cleaned up here. Dad helped. Say hi, Dad. So we got this cleaned out. Now it's leveling it, getting it set up till about there with the gravel and the dirt and stuff. And then we are going to get concrete for here. That's the next step. So we'll see when we get there. Sorry, I forgot to add this in there. I forgot to take this outside, but I just wanted to say thanks for watching. Hope you can like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how I'm doing, where I need to improve and stuff, because I'm still trying to do this. This is kind of, if you made it this far, I'm going to do another update video. We're changing things up here. So you've watched this. The page I'm putting this on is a car page, but I'm just not doing enough automotive stuff to do both channels. So I've actually been trying to make a go at it doing knife making as a hobby. Eventually I want to turn it into a full career thing. I also do like furniture and stuff, cutting boards. I'm getting into all of that. I just like making stuff. Automotive is just a kind of another side hobby. So one thing I want to do is we're just changing this channel. So this channel is now going to be called I believe my Instagram is Black Bear Blades. This is going to either be Black Bear Blades or Builds. I might leave this Builds and the other Instagram will be Blades. But it's more going to be knife making, blacksmithing, bladesmithing. It's a lot of fabrication, different stuff like that. But if you made it to this point in the video, just letting you know. So thanks for watching. God bless y'all. And y'all just have a great week.